So Steve, can you tell us about the program that you've just completed at Continental?
Yep, it was to do with leadership and management. It was a very good course run by DeakinPrime. I thoroughly enjoyed it. There was two parts to it. One was there was group sessions where we had time away from our workplace, which was also very good because it's quite busy here at our facility. And then there was also follow-up tutoring sessions in smaller groups where we had an opportunity to talk more about the activities that we did in these group sessions.
Sure. So the course was centred around leadership and management.
Yep.
Having completed the course, do you think your view of both leadership and management have changed?
Yes, definitely. Previously I had other views. The way it was presented had a distinction between leadership and management, and personally I think I was more in the management type role, not the leadership type role, but it was very clearly presented, really good examples. So you took away from that, yes, there is a difference between leadership and management.
So what are some characteristics which you think are often seen in a leader?
For me, from doing the course, the type of characteristics I see is more the visionary type people. They may not have the answer, but they're looking at the big picture and looking far ahead, whereas in terms of management, it was more the organisation, the nuts and bolts, understanding how things happen, but maybe not really knowing what direction to move an operation in.
Sure. And Steve, you mentioned previously the fact that there was time spent away from the office,
Yep.
time to reflect, and that this was really useful. Can you talk a little bit more about that and why that was
Yep.
so beneficial to you?
Because in our organisation it's very busy, there's always things that need to be done, and you don't get many opportunities to sit aside with colleagues or peers to discuss leadership and management, and it's not typically a topic you talk at lunchtime or morning tea. We talk football and other things like that, but getting away from your normal work environment and being challenged and being asked questions, how would you handle this certain situation, and being presented different themes by people who have done the sort of the analysis into all these different techniques, it was very good.
Sure. And I'm sure there were some key takeaways that you've basically put in your pocket to implement back at the office. Can you tell us what one or two of them might be, some pearls that you've really learned from the course?
One was with regard to identifying the different types of personalities within the department. I don't remember it exactly, but there's certain personalities which are reluctant to change, some that will change, and you don't have to spend too much time working with those, but then there's others who are very slow to change, and you do have to spend time with those. That's one of the things which came across in the module for leading change.
Great. Thanks very much for that, Steve.
Okay, thank you.
you.